Welcome back to Herbnstyle, a dichotomy of inspiration from cupboard to closet. Today we're going to be doing Thai basil fried rice. So I know y'all are probably like, why is she always doing Thai food? Look, I've never been to Thailand, but we're going to go to Thailand today. And as always, if you haven't checked out my other Thai food recipes, be sure to go to herbnstyle.com. I made some awesome Thai lettuce wraps, but today we're getting into fried rice. I always am talking about how I want to make my favorite foods and learn how to make them and perfect them and actually make them as close to top 8 free as possible. So this Thai fried rice is going to be so good because who doesn't like Thai takeout? We're gonna make some special sauces. We're gonna make a nice brown sweet sauce. And we're also gonna make kind of like a Thai curry sauce that I'm gonna put together with this fried rice. So definitely grab all your ingredients, and if you want the full recipe, be sure to check the description box down below. We're gonna hop right into it, and like I said, we're going to Thailand today. Okay, so what I have literally done here is I've taken some Thai curry paste. It doesn't look the most pleasing, but bear with me. Some Thai curry paste, some actual curry powder, as well as lime juice. And we're going to mix this together. What's gonna be nice is that curry seasoning taste is gonna come through really nicely, which is gonna add a little bit of a different take on the Thai fried rice, similar to if I was making regular curry. Okay, so now I'm going to make the brown sauce, and we have some oyster sauce in here, as well as some squeezed ginger. I like things easy and simple, so you'll see a lot of things pre-minced, pre-chopped. I'm actually going to add in some cocoa aminos. Again, we're trying to keep this as top 8 free as possible here. So the cocoa aminos is a little bit sweeter. So with the ginger, it's gonna add a little sweetening taste. So that's what we have here, which is really good. Nice and brown. It's gonna be really nice with the rice. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with some oil. And like I said, for all of the measurements and all of the ingredients, feel free to check out the description box below where the recipe can be found on herbnstyle.com. So garlic goes in. It's getting wild already. I'm gonna take our onion, and these are really big chops. I kind of like onions to be seen in my fried rice. Bell pepper, this is a full red bell pepper. And then we're gonna take, this is a half. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're actually gonna take our paste mixture that we mixed up together and let that simmer. And still wilting down a little bit, and it'll continue to cook down. So we're gonna mix in our brown sauce. We have a good sauce, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add that in here. Okay, so now we have our rice. I actually cooked this right before I started cooking. This is actually Thai jasmine. Cooked my rice over the stove. Okay, so we're gonna take some basil. So let's dig in. Just get a big heap. So one thing about basil, it wilts really fast, like faster than spinach. So that's why you want to kind of just mix it in while the rice is hot off of the stove. Okay, so we're gonna get into this taste test, honey, and honestly, for this recipe, y'all need to just just need to go to Herbnstyle. Like, if you haven't gone to herbnstyle.com, I don't know what you're really doing, but it's the basil for me. It's the basil for me. I think this is perfect for like a party or a large family. And like I said, it's pretty much topic free, but if you are worried about the oyster sauce, you can kind of trade it out. And if you all have any ideas of any sauces that I could use instead of oyster sauce, like I said, I can have shellfish, but I know a lot of people that are top 8 free may not be able to have any type of fish product. So if you all know of any sauces that don't have soy, obviously that are top 8 free, that are more of the Asian brown sauces, let me know. But I'm gonna research and see what I can kind of curate, and we can make a video out of it, okay? But as always, thank you for joining Herbnstyle, and always be sure to own your style. Bye. This is so good.